everyone, how are you today? I hope you all are was healthy in the COVID-19 pandemic. My name is Sarif Hidayatullah. Name 2011112, Class 1D, English Courses. Lecturer Firdaus, Sarjana Sosiologi, Magister Pendidikan Bahasa Inggris. I will convey about the 16 tense to all of you. Enjoy watching. Number 1, simple present tense. Digunakan untuk menunjukkan fakta, kebiasaan, dan keadaan umum yang terjadi pada saat ini. Formulas plus subject plus verb as or s plus complement. Example, I work hard for this company. Formulas negatif, subject plus does, do, or does not plus verb 1 plus complement. Example, I do not work hard for this company. Formulas interrogatif, do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. Example, do I work hard for this company? Number 2, present continuous tense. Digunakan untuk membicarakan aksi yang sedang berlangsung yang paling utama. Dari tes ini adalah adanya durasi waktu untuk kata kerjanya. Formulas plus subject, formulas positif, subject plus to be, am, are, is plus verb ing plus complement. Example, we are studying English. Formulas negatif, subject plus to be plus not plus complement. Example, we are not studying English. Formulas interrogatif, to be plus subject plus verb ing plus complement. Example, are we studying English? Number 3, present perfect tense. Digunakan untuk menunjukkan suatu aksi atau kejadian selesai dan menekankan pada hasilnya. Formulas positif, subject plus has or have plus verb 3 plus complement. Example, I have finished my homework. Formulas negatif, subject plus has or have plus not plus verb 3 plus complement. Example, I have not finished my homework. Formulas negatif, has or have plus subject plus verb 3 plus complement. Example, have I finished my homework. Number 4, present perfect continuous tense. Digunakan untuk menunjukkan aksi yang dimulai pada masa lampau dan terus berlanjut sampai saat ini. Biasanya aksi yang digunakan tense ini mempunyai durasi waktu tertentu dan mempunyai relevansi yang kondisi sekarang. Formulas positif, subject plus has or have plus been plus verb ing plus complement. Example, you have been working here since 250. Formula negatif, subject plus has plus have plus not plus been plus verb ing plus complement. Example, you have not been working here since 2015. Example, formulas interrogative has or have plus subject plus been plus verb ing plus complement. Example, have you been worked here since 2015? Next, number 5, simple past tense. Digunakan untuk menunjukkan suatu kejadian di masa lampau. Formulas plus subject plus was or were plus complement. Example, she was beautiful. Formulas negatif subject plus was or were plus not plus complement. Example, she was not beautiful. Formulas interrogatif was or were plus subject plus complement. Example, was she beautiful. Number 6, past continuous tense. Digunakan untuk menunjukkan suatu kejadian yang sedang terjadi pada masa lampau. Biasanya ada 2 kejadian terjadi di masa lampau. Formulas positif subject plus was or were plus verb ing plus complement. Example, I was studying English when the called. Formulas negatif subject plus was plus were plus not plus verb ing plus complement. Example, I was not studying English when the called. Formula interrogatif was or were plus subject plus verb ing plus complement. Example, was I studying English when the called. Next, number 7, past perfect tense. Digunakan untuk menunjukkan suatu kejadian yang terjadi sebelum waktu tertentu di masa lampau. Biasanya digunakan untuk menunjukkan kejadian mana yang terlebih dahulu di antara kedua kejadian yang terjadi di masa lampau. Formula positif plus subject plus had plus verb 3 plus complement. Example, I had finished my homework before. Formula negatif subject plus had plus not plus verb 3 plus complement. Example, I had not finished my homework before I meet up with my friend yesterday. Next, formulas interrogatif had plus subject plus verb 3 plus complement. Example, had I finished my homework before I meet up with my friend yesterday. Okay, number 8, past perfect continuous tense. Digunakan untuk menunjukkan aksi yang terjadi di masa lalu dan sudah menyelesaikan pada waktu tertentu di masa lalu juga. Formula positif subject plus had plus been plus verb ing plus complement. Example, you had been crying for an hour. Formula negatif subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb ing plus complement. Example, you had not been crying for an hour. Formula interrogative had plus subject plus been plus verb ing plus complement. Example, had you been crying for an hour? Number 9. Simple future tense. Digunakan untuk menunjukkan aksi atau suatu keadaan di masa depan. Formula positif subject plus will or be going to plus verb 1 plus complement. Example, I will work hard for the company. Subject plus will not going to. Complement. Example, I will not work hard for this company. Formula interrogative will plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. Example, will I work hard for this company? Tanda tanya. Number 10. Future continuous tense. Digunakan untuk menunjukkan suatu aksi atau keadaan yang terjadi di suatu waktu tertentu di masa yang akan datang. Formula positif subject plus will or be going to plus be plus verb ing plus complement. Example, I will be studying English. Okay. Next, formula negatif subject plus will not plus be or be not going to plus be plus verb ing plus complement. Example, I will not be studying English. Okay. Next, interrogative to be plus subject plus verb ing plus complement. Example, will I be studying English? Next, number 11. Future perfect tense. Digunakan untuk menunjukkan aksi yang akan berakhir di masa depan. Example, yang plus positif subject plus will have plus verb 3 plus complement. Example, I will have finished my homework. Formula negatif subject plus will not have plus verb 3 plus complement. Example, I will not have finished homework. Interrogative will subject plus had plus verb 3 plus complement. Example, will I have finished my homework? Next, number 12. Future perfect continuous tense. Digunakan untuk menunjukkan aksi yang akan terus terjadi di masa depan. Tes ini digunakan menekankan pada hasil ya. Formula plus subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb ing plus complement. Example, in 220 she will have been working hard 2 years. Negative subject plus will plus not plus have plus been plus being plus complement. Example, in 220 she will not have been working here for 2 years. Interrogative will plus subject plus have plus been plus verb ing plus complement. Example, in 200 to 220 will she have been working here for 2 years. Oke, number 13, for past future tense digunakan untuk menunjukkan aksi yang akan dilakukan di masa lalu namun gagal. Formulas plus subject plus word plus soul plus verb 1 plus complement. For example, I will come to your party if you invite me. Formula negatif, subject plus word plus soul not plus verb 1 plus complement. Example, would not come to your party if you did not invite me. Formula interrogatif, would plus or should plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. Example, would I come to your party if you invite me. Number 40, past future continuous tense digunakan untuk menunjukkan suatu aksi yang akan dilakukan pada masa lampau dan berlangsung hingga waktu tertentu. Formula plus subject plus word should plus be plus verb ing plus complement. Example, I would be studying if you did not disturb my yesterday. Formula negatif, subject plus word plus not plus be plus verb ing plus complement. Example, I would not be studying if you did not disturb me yesterday. Formula interrogatif, would or should plus subject plus be plus verb ing plus complement. Example, would I be studying if you did not disturb me yesterday. Number 15, past future perfect tense digunakan untuk menunjukkan suatu aksi yang sudah dilakukan di masa lampau namun ternyata tidak dilakukan atau rencana yang gagal. Formula positif, subject plus word plus should plus have plus verb 3 plus complement. Example, I would have bought the new car if I had enough money. Formula negatif, subject plus word plus should not plus have plus verb 3 plus complement. Example, I would not have bought a new car if I had enough money. Formula interrogatif, would and should and plus subject plus be plus verb 3 plus complement. Example, would I have bought a new car if I had enough money. Nah, terakhir number 16, past future perfect tense, perfect continuous tense. Ini digunakan untuk menunjukkan suatu aksi di masa lampau namun sebenarnya tidak terjadi. Formula positif, subject plus would or should plus have plus been plus verb ing plus complement. Example, she would have been waiting for me for the house yesterday, but she had gone at 9 p.m. Formula Negatif subject plus would plus should plus not plus have plus been plus being plus complement. Example, she would not have been waiting for me for 3 hours yesterday, but she had going at 9 p.m. Ya, formula interrogatif would and should plus subject plus have plus been plus being plus complement. Example, would she have been waiting for me for 3 hours yesterday. Oke, teman-teman, sekian yang dapat saya sampaikan. Mudah-mudahan bermanfaat. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.